two throttles at the moment. Trying to animate the camera too, because it's along it. Got a new motor in. Okay. So what I've got one throttle controlling the loco, the other throttle, and just turn that up and we get the turntable to rotate. Change directions. Whoop, the battery's starting to go. But whoop, there's the battery starting to go on this throttle. Typical. I'm just going to do a movie. Anyhow, that's just showing you that you can get it turning okay, and it's nice and smooth too. Underneath, I'll take it down quickly, and then I'll get up underneath, and you can see how I've got things going. Anyhow, that's the turntable now working. Cheers.